Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up the CINNADO D1 2K security camera. Whether you're looking to enhance your home security or simply keep an eye on things, this camera is an excellent choice. Let's get started. When you unbox your CINNADO D1, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, a USB cable, mounting hardware, and a user manual. Make sure you have everything before you begin. Next, let's power up the camera. Plug the USB cable into the camera and connect it to the power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into an outlet. You'll see the camera's LED light turn on, indicating it's ready to be set up. Now, you'll need to download the CINNADO app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CINNADO. Once you've found the app, download and install it on your smartphone. Once the app is successfully installed, open it on your device. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided on the screen to create your new account and then proceed to log in. Once logged in, open the app, tap the Add Device button, and select CINNADO D1 2K camera to begin the connection process. And follow the instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone is connected to the same network. With the camera connected, you can now position it where you want to monitor. The CINNADO D1 is versatile, so you can place it on a flat surface or mount it on a wall or ceiling using the included hardware. Make sure the camera is angled for the best view. Finally, you can customize your camera settings in the app. Adjust the video resolution, set up motion detection zones, and explore other features to ensure you're getting the most out of your CINNADO D1 2K security camera.